Welcome to Extra Virgin on Virgin Voyages Valiant Lady. This is the specialty dining venue that's called Italian. And we're going to find out that they have more than just pasta here. They also have some steaks and some other great stuff for you to try. Let's take a look at the menu and see if there's anything here that you're going to want. If you notice, wine pairings are available for you too.
Okay, so all the Moscatos are not created equal here on the Valiant Lady. It's about the third different place we've had a Moscato. This one is by far the best. It's the sweetest and the least dry that we've had. Also, I've noticed even the difference with... Oh yes, thank you.
Our meal tonight starts off with the cheese board, which has eggplant, apples, walnuts, honey mustard, blue cheese, mozzarella, goat cheese, parmesan, pepperoni, prosciutto, and ham. And please note that everything that Robin from Sea Lake Journeys eats in this restaurant will be gluten-free. For a little fun, we recommend you try different things paired up together.
It's for different flavor combinations. So if you don't like this with that, try that with this. And you get a whole different taste sensation. The nuts don't taste like the regular nuts. Go. You're sitting there, you say, oh, I know what those taste like. No, you don't. You know what they taste like without whatever it is they've done to it. But they've done something to them to make them taste totally unique. And we tried different meat and cheese combinations, meat and sauce combination. Honey with the meat, honey with the cheese, and it just makes for some fascinating flavors. We just had a good time playing with our food. Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, I've got my pasta here tonight, and Robin Sea Lake Journeys has
Your
the
pasta looks
gluten-free.
really fun. Mine looks pretty bland.
Yours looks gluten-free.
Yep.
Let me know if it's any good, doesn't it?
Let's see. Not much to it. Quite disappointing, actually.
Oh, man.
For an Italian restaurant, all it is parsley and a little bit of tomato sauce. Yours has...
Mine's bolognese. It has meat in it. Well, she's disappointed because she just had this fantastic cheese cutting board right here.
Yeah.
That ruined us, because that was like a lot of fun to mess around with.
Yeah.
So we're gonna try the bolognese pasta. It's got the meat in it. Look at there. See that meat, y'all? It looks hot. That's really good. I'd order this again. I'm afraid I may eat all of it still up and not be able to eat my steak. Who got the food all over their shirt? Was it me or Robin from Sea Lake Journeys? Okay, Sea Lake Journey crew, we got our steaks here tonight.
The gluten-free version,
Which looks like that.
and you got the non-gluten-free version. So you got
What's
the
the flavor?
gravy and the toppings.
Toppings? Gravy. No toppings. No gravy. Let's go ahead and see how it tastes for you.
It's a little more rare than I would care for it to be. It is medium though.
Oh, that's good. You'll like it.
It's a steak. I don't see anything great. Has no spices on it at all. No salt, no pepper, no nothing. Pretty bland.
Nope. Okay, we'll see if the one with all the fixings on it is going to fare any better.
Yes.
Mine's medium rare. Medium rare for me.
That looks good.
Excellent. Good. To be honest, the steak we had last night, the Mexican place, is still the best. What else you got there?
We're going to take the croutons off.
What's that?
This is the eggplant.
That's the eggplant?
Yep. That's really good.
We got a winner there.
A little greasy. I don't know why it's so greasy, but it's good.
Thanks for joining us at Extra Virgin here tonight on the Valiant Lady. We are Sea Lake Journeys. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks.